Hey guys, don't worry, I am not injured. I am all good. I just had tattoo removal, so I'm just gonna leave this on for a little bit. So in last week's video, I had you guys comment for the giveaway what you were having trouble with. I cannot even begin to tell you how many people said Polygel dual forms. Your wish is my command. So since we were doing dual forms, I did put a little, basically an overlay nail on my nails because let me tell you, my nails are not in the best shape right now and they're very short. And I also injured a few of them, so they look horrible right now. So I put these little overlay nails on because when you do dual forms, you really want to have a little bit of a free edge right here. You don't want to get like polygel, gel, whatever you're using on your skin when you push that dual form down. So it's just best to have like a little bit of a free edge right there. So these are not my nails, but we're going to pretend these are my nails. We're going to do all the same things. So just pretend these are mine. These are what I use. These are awesome if you literally want an overlay. These are obviously not for like length, anything other than a little overlay over your natural nails. Maybe your nails are not in great shape. Maybe you just want a very short nail. Diami Easy Full Tips. You can get them at Sweetie. They're awesome. First things first, we got to do our cuticles. I have done the Russian manicure on my channel before, so if you want a more in-depth cuticle care routine, cuticle prep routine, go to that video. Hopefully I'll remember, I'll put it up here. But this is going to be basic, no e-file, a pusher, some nippers. My cuticles are not bad. I just want to clean them up just a touch. Now I'm just going to go in with some nippers, and if I have any white dead skin, I'm going to very carefully nip it off. Buffer. This buffer is old and I love it and I refuse to get rid of it. It still works, okay? Buffing means removing the shine. It does not mean filing into your nail. We are literally lightly buffing our nail to remove the shine. You do that because any enhancement you're putting on top needs to be able to grip to your nail. So if it's really shiny and smooth, it's just gonna pop off. Oh my gosh, I just took off my bandages. This one looks gnarly. This is what this one looks like right now. But that one? That was blue. And normally, so this is the third time I've got it done. I think every other time she thought that was a faded black tattoo, so she was using the wrong laser. And so I think she used a different laser this time. So I don't know if it's supposed to look like that or it hurt. I truly don't know how people do. Like, there's no way on earth. They're here to stay. My favorites. If you don't have these, it's okay. You can just use alcohol. We're going to use the new Divock Summer 4 collection. This is my favorite one. Out of all of their summer collections, this one. So this is going to be the only part that is not going to be the same as if we were literally doing my natural nails, because like you guys know, I've got a little overlay going on with some Gel X nails. So normally if I didn't have these on and these were my natural nails, now I would be going in with my Jello Peel Off base, whatever base coat you were using, now is the time. I already have this on underneath these, so I'm gonna go ahead with the next step. But now, normally, base coat time. Also, this step that I'm doing right now with the color is not a mandatory step doing dual forms. That might be obvious, duh, to a lot of you, but some of you might be new and think you have to do this. You do not have to do this. This is strictly for the design I want to do. I want to have color underneath the clear dual forms that we're doing. I'm going to use clear polygel and basically just have like a clear glass tip over a reverse French. Oh my. That's crazy. That's one coat. What? Oh my gosh. Oh, they're all beautiful. Full cure. Alright, we were using some stiletto dual forms. I found these on Amazon. I will link them for you guys. So you need to pick out your sizes first. This is not like Gel X. With Gel X, you want it to fit perfect sidewall to sidewall. With dual forms, you want it to be one size bigger because you're going to fill it with whatever you're filling it with. Today we're using Polygel, but there's going to be product in here, so when you put it on, that takes up a little bit of room. So you just want it one size larger than you would normally go. I'm going to use some little stars on the tips of the nails in the clear part. Now you want your polygel and your alcohol. Alcohol is used as your slip solution because polygel is very sticky. So once you get the polygel in the dual form, you're going to need to put some alcohol on your brush to be able to smooth it out. Otherwise, you're going to have a huge mess. Then I always flip it over and make sure the underside is nice and clean. Make sure that it's nice and straight and even, nothing's like seeping down below. And I think it looks good, so I'm going to fully cure. right, the best part. Time to pop them off. More alcohol. I'm going to trim them just a smidge. We are trying this brand new dust collector from O'Nail. How pretty is this? It looks like a alien spaceship or something. I'm here for it. So what's cool about this is the filter, well, lots of things. This thing sucks, like in a good way. Normally most dust collectors have the filter like laying on top. This has two filters and they're under this, so this is like magnetic, and you just pop this off and there's this filter and then there's this filter. So this is the one that you would switch out when it gets dirty, and then this one is the one that you keep in there and you just clean and put it back. It just magnetizes back on there, look. You know me and magnets, I can't get enough. I love them so much. So this thing, I'm so excited to actually use it. I've been kind of playing around with it. I put a bag on top of it yesterday and it went like suction to the whole top of it. I was like, oh, you're gonna break it before you even try it. Power on. This thing works amazing. I don't see any dust at all. I'm a little shocked. Like it literally just goes inside the machine. It truly like just sucks everything up. They did send this to me as PR just to let you guys know, but for anybody not new here, you know that's not going to change my opinion. If I don't like something, I'm just going to tell you. Everything I have from O'Nail, I love. The e-file, it's the only one I use. I'm using the lamp right there. I switched that one out with my other favorite one. I love it. And this, amazing. I have no dust. The dust is inside. Amazing. Real quick, before we top coat, I want to see what is under this and see how much dust that sucked up, because literally, when I tell you there's like no dust around this, there's like, there really isn't. Like it all went in here, just oh my, look at that. And look at that, look at that. It's all in there. That is amazing. There's even a star. Okay, little mini review. I think this thing is badass. Amazing. When you have clear tips, you always want to top coat the underside. Otherwise, they're not going to be as shiny. So always top coat the underside of your clear tips. Oh, I am sorry, but that holographic gel, it just does something to me. We are all done, guys. And these are so pretty. I love them so much. We have definitely done something similar before, but I'm just a girl that loves clear tips, stars, and sparkly things. I don't know what to tell you. I definitely have an aesthetic, but I love them. So I hope you do too. If you guys have any more questions, if you're confused about anything else, leave them in the comments and I will try to help you. I promise. All right, you guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that bell so you know when I post. Also, if you have any extra hypes, you know I will take them. Still don't fully know what they do, but they say that they help us. So hand them over if you got any extras. All right, you guys, coming up next, the winner of last week's giveaway. And remember, if you subscribe to my channel, apparently your butt gets a little bit rounder and a little bit bigger. So give it a shot. We have so much fun here. Lots of hauls, lots of tutorials, lots of nails, you know? Sparkly things. All right, you guys. Winner of last week's giveaway. 3, 2, 1.